video, we are going to the famous place which is called the Anandashram, where you get some amazing fish thali, which is located in Panjim. So I'll be giving you the entire pricing and the location as well in the description, so do go check that out. And yes, of course, it's been a long time since we've posted a video, and I hope that you enjoy this. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do give us a big thumbs up if you enjoy. So let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
We're super hungry. It's about 2:45 in the afternoon, and let me show you inside how it looks like.
Yeah.
Here you have a lot of old pubs and restaurants, authentic places that you can actually visit. And this is the Portuguese buildings that are easily around 300 to 400 years old. So some of the most famous restaurants, which is like a must visit, not just restaurants but also bars and pubs that you should visit, is located in this area. Okay, so this is the restaurant, and I hope that we get some place to sit inside. So this is what the menu looks like, and they have very less items on the menu. It's just a single page menu. So you can maybe just pause the video and have a look at the menu that they have. So our food has arrived and it's looking absolutely delicious. So Len has ordered for some Dhal Fry. She didn't feel like eating fish or non-veg today. And this is the plain rice, which is half a cup of it. And here we have is the Bombil Fish Thali, which is also known as Bombil Fish Thali. These are crispy fried Bombil ducks, and then here we have the Kingfish Thali. So these are the things that comes in a thali. So let us taste it, and I'll tell you what it tastes like. I think this quality is perfect for you, no?
Yeah, I eat this much.
Honestly, the dal is looking amazing. It's nice and thick.
I love thick dal.
It's piping hot. So you've got to be a little careful. Yeah, so eat and tell us how it is.
I mean,
Did you burn your tongue? Okay, besides that, how is the taste?
it's actually good.
It's good, right? Let me taste.
Be careful, don't burn your tongue.
Wow. It's actually tasty. I really like the dal there. Okay, so here we have the Kingfish Thali, which Kiran has ordered for. So let me just taste the kingfish, and then, because everything else is the same in both the thalis. This is so fresh. I don't think fish in a restaurant can get any fresher than this. prices for all of these, I will also be giving it in the description, so do go check that out as well, because the prices are not really mentioned on the menu, so even I don't know what the prices are as yet. One thing that we've got to see is the fish itself. The type of fish that Bombil is extremely delicate after it's cooked. As you can see, it is super duper soft. It's more like a jelly kind of a consistency. So for all those of you who haven't eaten this before, you know, it is extremely soft, and it actually kind of melts in your mouth. And if this fish is made perfect, it tastes heavenly. I think this is one of our favorite fish even at home. You know, often we make this. Wow. And what I really like about this fish today is that the outside, the batter, is so crunchy, and the inside, when you chew on it inside, it is extremely, you know, soft, jelly kind of, you know, texture. So let me move on to all the other things that we have on our plate here. I'll quickly just taste and tell you what it is like. So here we have this is pigeon peas, I think. It's, I don't know, I could be wrong. One of the gram. It is exactly how you would make your gram at home. It is lovely. Let me just quickly taste the gravy. I think these are prawns gravy. Amazing. I think I would rate this thali a perfect 10 on 10. Straight away. This is, I think, kismoor, but it's slightly different here because I think they have grated coconut, raw coconut in it, with some raw onions as well. This is something I haven't tasted before. I don't think it is kismoor because oh yeah, it is. Okay, I can see some dried prawns there. So here you have another fish gravy. Perfectly spiced, and I think this is something you guys should not be missing because this place is highly recommended. It came highly recommended by some of our friends who live here locally in Goa, and also from some of our subscribers. So if you want me to make other videos as well and visit other restaurants and beaches and places here in Goa, do let me know in the comment section below, because I only go to places that are highly recommended. This place is not really fancy, or you know, it's not too big. It's a proper local dining kind of a place where you find a lot of tourists, as well as it's most preferred by the locals as well, you know, who come here for a good lunch. And I think after this lunch, all I'm gonna do is just go to sleep, because I am totally stuffed. I wish I had some more space to try out all of their amazing food and fish fries that they have on the menu, but unfortunately I think we're done. And also, when you come here, don't forget to actually, you know, order for the Dhal Fry as well. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do click on that bell icon to get notified every single time we release a new video. So until we meet again in our next, bye for now.